What if the cleanest, most powerful energy source on Earth has been sitting silently beneath our feet this entire time, completely untouched, completely unknown, and completely capable of powering human civilization for the next 1,000 years? Scientists say it absolutely has. Researchers led by Geoffrey Ellis of the U.S. Geological Survey have published findings that could completely transform how humanity thinks about energy, revealing that trillions of tons of naturally occurring hydrogen gas lie buried beneath the Earth's surface. This is not manufactured hydrogen, not industrially produced hydrogen, and not the hydrogen stored expensively in tanks. This is geologic hydrogen, formed naturally through geochemical processes happening deep within the Earth over millions of years. The estimated total of these hidden reserves is staggering. Approximately 6.2 trillion tons of geologic hydrogen may exist beneath the surface of our planet, a number so large it fundamentally challenges every assumption about global energy scarcity and fossil fuel dependency. To understand the scale, consider this. The energy contained within these buried hydrogen reserves exceeds the energy stored in all proven natural gas deposits currently known to exist anywhere on Earth combined. Let that sink in for a moment. According to Ellis and his team, tapping into just 2% of these estimated reserves could meet the entire world's hydrogen energy needs for 200 years, offering a pathway toward achieving global net zero carbon emission goals without requiring entirely new energy technologies. If the full recoverable potential were accessed, these geologic hydrogen reserves could reduce global reliance on fossil fuels for an extraordinary 1,000 years, providing clean, low-carbon energy on a timescale that would essentially solve humanity's energy crisis entirely. Hydrogen reserves have already been identified in real-world locations. Deposits have been confirmed in Albania and Mali, and researchers believe that similar geological formations producing hydrogen naturally exist in many other regions across multiple continents worldwide. This discovery was published in Science Advances, one of the world's leading peer-reviewed scientific journals, lending significant credibility to the findings and drawing the attention of energy researchers, governments, and clean energy developers globally. However, significant challenges stand between these buried reserves and the clean energy future they could enable. Much of this hydrogen is likely buried at extreme depths or located in offshore geological formations, making large-scale extraction technically and economically difficult. Professor Bill Maguire of University College London has noted that developing the infrastructure required to extract hydrogen at a global scale would demand an enormous coordinated international effort, involving new drilling technologies, transportation networks, and storage systems. But here is what makes this discovery so significant beyond the immediate technical challenges. It fundamentally changes the conversation about what clean energy options humanity actually has available and how long those options could realistically sustain global civilization. We have spent decades searching for the perfect clean energy solution. Solar panels, wind turbines, nuclear reactors, tidal energy, all extraordinary technologies. And yet the answer may have been beneath our feet the entire time, waiting to be found. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Does this change how you think about our energy future? Like this video if it gave you hope, subscribe for more breakthrough science explained simply, and share it with someone who needs to hear that the future is looking cleaner than ever before.